All right, let's focus a little bit on how this hitch actually installs into the bed of the truck. These handles here are absolutely critical. That's actually your tie points. That's what we're using to hook into the frame of the truck. So these mounting posts, what really sets our hitch apart from anybody else is the fact that these mounting posts are removable. These mounting posts, once you pull them out, the hitch is relatively smooth across the bottom. That way you can move it into position and actually position it right over those 4 factory pucks. Now we can take these mounting posts and drop them into position. Now your first mounting post, or either one, you'll drop into position, rotate it 90 degrees, and you can see that it's nice and loose. What we want to do is adjust this nut right here tighter so that it's a tighter fit. And we can just incrementally adjust that until it's nice and firm when we turn it into position. All right, so this mounting post, we've actually already installed the cotter pin in place. It's already pre-adjusted. So all we're going to do is drop it into you can see right through the hitch, you can see the factory puck right there. We just drop this mounting post into the factory puck and we'll rotate it 90 degrees, and that actually firmly locks it into the bed of the truck. Then we can take our bail pin, put it right through there, and lock that handle to keep it from wiggling back. Now you could easily replace that with just a standard padlock. That way we can securely lock the hitch into the bed of the truck. That way you don't have to worry about anybody stealing the product from you. But once you do this on all 4 corners, that hitch is firmly locked into position. So there's really a lot of great benefits with the PullRite OE 5th wheel hitches. But really the ease of installation and removal is what sets a product apart from everybody else.